Hi everybody. So I've had some time with this new Google system, and what I'm finding is the way that they do the comments. You have to go to Google Plus, and there's a little bell on the upper right hand corner. If you click on that bell, it'll give you your unread notifications. Now the main problem with it is that they tell you every time somebody has shared a post. So it's not like you can just go and look at your comments. You have to go through all of these shared posts. And if you sub a lot of channels like I do, I have 100 of them or more. So I have to click through all of those to get to the comments. And then I notice that people are not commenting as much as they used to, or else the comments are just not showing up. So that's the problem that I have. The other thing is it's very confusing. You've got your YouTube account, you've got maybe a Google Plus account, plus you've got pages on Google Plus. So I've got all these pages that I never even wanted, yet I think if I close them out, I'm going to be closing out my YouTube account. That's a problem. So the new system is definitely not perfect, and it's not user friendly to those people that want to reply to comments, because as I said, you have to go through all of these other notifications that have nothing to do with comments in order to get to the comments. And also, I'm not really sure if, it seems to me that on some of my YouTube channels I can reply to comments, and some I have to be on Google Plus, and some I have to be on Google Pages. So it's still very confusing. Very, very confusing. So anyhow, that's my take on the new system for now. Thank you for watching.